Hi there! In this video, we'll be looking at how to enable and disable maintenance mode, a feature that's included on Samsung Galaxy phones that's intended to keep your personal data safe while the phone is out for repairs. To turn this feature on, you're going to need to go to Settings. Scroll down until you see Device Care or Battery and Device Care, depending on your model. Once selected, you should see Maintenance Mode, which, of course, we're going to tap on. The phone will then tell you a bit more about Maintenance Mode and why it's useful. You'll also be able to create a cloud or external backup for your data from the screen. Once you tap on Turn On, you'll get a message telling you that your phone will need to restart to enter Maintenance Mode. An error log will automatically be created during this process, which might be useful for the technician who is trying to repair your phone. But of course, you can opt out of creating one before tapping Restart. According to Samsung, the process should take around 2 minutes, but it took almost 4 minutes in this case. In the interest of time, and because, looking at a blank screen for that long is no fun, I've skipped directly to the reboot phase. Once the phone comes back up, the first thing that you'll notice is that it no longer needs your passcode to be unlocked. You'll see Maintenance Mode displayed towards the bottom left-hand corner of your screen, and you'll only have access to the settings and the factory apps, or as they're otherwise known, the apps that were available when you turned the phone on for the first time once you took it out of the box. Once your phone has been repaired, you can disable Maintenance Mode by swiping down on the status bar and selecting Tap here to exit. The phone will then prompt you to tap exit again, at which point it will ask for your passcode before restarting. Honestly, this isn't a feature I see myself using, simply because the phones that I use are cheaper to replace than to repair. But yeah, let me know what you think. Is Maintenance Mode useful? As always, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of the day.